Aloha, my name is Jay, and I would like to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out to Ivan. I've been working with Ivan over the last 4 months, and it has been an amazing transformational journey that I've been on. You know, prior to singing with Ivan, I always had this instilled in my head that I had a voice that would crack windows, that would shatter the glass if I was to sing in public. And over the last 4 months, as I've been working with Ivan, I've really gained the confidence to just sing, and I've been strengthening my vocal cords, learning all the different techniques on how to enhance my voice. So it wasn't as bad. I just never had the training. And you know, Ivan is absolutely amazing and so patient, and he just makes you feel really comfortable, and the skill sets and the techniques that he gives you really improves your voice. And you know, age is nothing but a number, and you know, just having someone that is absolutely supportive and knowing the skills to give you and the patience to make you really feel like you are truly embracing something that you're very passionate about. So I would highly recommend that if you are passionate about singing, that you are just looking to take your skills of your singing to the next level, or you just want to sing like I did. I just wanted to sing lullabies to my grandchildren. And so when the opportunity arose and I got to meet with Ivan, it's been amazing. And you know, we are in two completely different continents. You know, I'm here in the States, and so it doesn't matter, you know, it's just, you're only going to get out of it as much as you put into it. And Ivan is amazing. So with that being said, mahalo nui loa, Ivan. Thank you for everything that you do. All right. Ahui ho.